on, so it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one it's from Malaysia and designed by Shinsegai Food in South Korea, and it is Daebak seafood, or seaweed rather, right? Yes. Seaweed soup noodle. Does this sound like something I will enjoy? Honestly, I've never been a big fan of seaweed. And I know, that makes me a horrible person. But what can I do? What can I say? I really want to like it. I always want to like things. I think there's there is another sachet in here. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to give this a go, and I have an open mind because this is actually made in Malaysia, so I like things from Malaysia. Ow! Word face thing. Wow, that hurt. I've been steamed. Okay. We can tone it down a little bit here. Get into that pot. Get into that pot, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna cook you. No, we really won't. But we're gonna cook the noodles. If it'll. Come on, get in there. I'm turning you down. Wow, that really burned my finger good. Ooh. That was a painful experience that I disliked. Come on. Get in the pot, why don't you? Come on. What you doing, Pepper? You're doing something, I know. I'll peek around the corner and see. What you doing, Pepper? What are you doing? Hey, come hang out here. You're all right. Don't worry. I'll be done in let's see, in about 3 minutes, I think. So that's good. Yes, if you haven't been following the show lately, we have a dog now, and her name is Pepper. She's a black lab and golden mix, and she's a handful. She's a puppy, and she wants to eat everything, chew everything. She'll try to chew off your shoes while they're on your feet, ladies and gentlemen, so it's difficult, but it's going to work out. She's getting better doing this and that, and she's a puppy, so... We will arrive at a good location with said pet dog. I'm excited about that. It looks like I'll be taking her walking a lot pretty soon. So, currently I've got about 4 hours where I gotta hang at home per day. That's gonna disappear pretty quick. So that'll turn into 8 hours where there's nobody here. So I'm gonna have to get her street legal. She can definitely walk a long way. She likes to. And when I get home, she just passes just right out. But she hasn't been on a walk in a little bit, so A, I need to go take her out and tire her out. And B, she probably needs to use the facility, so that's something I don't like happening indoors. You might notice that we've got all these little pee pads still for her. She has decided that means don't go there. So she'll get there. We'll get there. I think there's a little bit of mutual training going on. She's training us, we're training her. It's good stuff. Oh yeah. I went out walking today, and down that away, there's a new sidewalk, but it's all blocked off because on the side of it, there's no railing. And if you stepped over that, you would fall like 15 feet. So they have it blocked off. People walk on it anyways. Some guy was saying, oh, the city's going to get sued because blah, 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 blah. It's like, it's blocked off and there's signs saying sidewalk closed. I think if somebody does that themselves, technically they might be breaking a city rule. I don't know. But whatever. But the pieces of the railing that they're going to have there finally showed up. It was supposed to be done November 2022, and then they were saying probably in June or July, but it looks like the parts have shown up. They were sitting there on the right next to the sign earlier today, so I'm stoked. I've been waiting to walk on that new thing, so we'll see how it goes. All right. Don't worry, it said 4.5 to 5 minutes. We're just fine. We're good to go. And the sun. The sunshine is back. Now I'm like, it's time to do this seaweed thing. I'm really hoping I like this. The last one that came in this set of samples, absolute 5 stars. I decided what I would do is I would, when I do the reviews of their products, I do one that I know I'm definitely going to like, and then one that I'm like, I'm probably not going to like this one. Get those out of the way, and then go towards the new stuff. There will be a Carolina Reaper review, which is a Mommy Shinsegai Daebak product. Carolina Reaper spicy chicken noodle soup thing. Or no, it's dry. It's dry. But in that one, the noodles are red. I'm like, The last time I had Reaper, it was rough. It was really rough. Well, there's definitely seaweed in here. Okay. This might not be so bad. So what they're doing is they've got a bunch of seaweed in here, but it's sesame. This smells good. Come have a look. I'm really bummed though. I gotta go back to my old monopod because this thing is just too darn big. The noodle. It looks pretty good. Cheers. Very nice chewiness on that noodle, I must say. There's the broth with some of the seaweed in there. Another taste of that. I like what they did. That appeals to me because it's not just like overwhelming seaweed flavor. It's most of what I'm getting is definitely sesame. And I'm guessing that oil was sesame oil. It's good. It's good. It's good. What are you doing? Hey. What are you doing over there? Pepper. Ladies and gentlemen, it's like having a baby in the house. She is a puppy, so I mean it is literally like having a baby in the house. Uh-oh, what's going on with the baby? The baby's chewing up shoes. I guess it's kind of different than a human baby, right? There's some shrimp. Did I put that away? No, I didn't. She also likes to hop on the couch when she hasn't been invited. And that's kind of a no-no around here. If you haven't been invited to sit on the couch, you're you're in trouble. And we've got some questionable. Well, she should be chewing on one of her dog treat device things. But it's always like, I just don't know. If I can't see what she's doing, I don't know what she's doing. Basically, what I'm saying by that is she's giving me a neurosis, ladies and gentlemen, about what she's doing or what she may be destroying. Yeah. So there's a bunch of these Daebak noodles. There's this one, there's a rabaki, there's a kimchi, there's seaweed, I think there's a seafood, and there's a spicy mushroom. That'll probably be the one I do next, because generally I'm not a big fan of mushroom. But we'll see. Like I said, I'm not generally a big fan of seaweed, but this really works well. I like this. No fooling. It's good. Very nice. Sesame seed. A little more generous on that one. And I think, like the curry, I'm going to use some crushed red pepper directly on the shrimp. Give it more. Yeah. And I think that's about that for this one. So let's... Yeah, this thing's gotta go. That really, really bums me out. Well, thank you very much for watching another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. I enjoy doing these episodes, and I hope you enjoy watching them. I'm cutting the top of this off, then I'm going to spread it all out after I cut the bottom off, and then I'm going to scan it and get that review done. And yeah, that pretty much wrapping up today's reviews, and later this evening I'll start getting the next 3 ready to do tomorrow. So this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye. Pepper.